Hello everyone, my name is Diana Carolina and today in this video I'm presenting my business idea that consists of a product widely used by people and I hope you like it and buy my products. Okay people, it consists of used cars but bicycle. I sell them as new for this is reason it is necessary to find a good place to buy and sell our cars now at a lower price. Taking into account that all clients look for quality and in addition to that, I offer this product with an affordable budget for all clients. Okay, I am going to tell you why it is convenient to buy a product like the one I am selling you. This is car's 100% reliable, addition to having certain advantages. One of them is that these cars have a 2-year warranty. And the best thing is that if you want to change your car over time, the company will buy it again of change if for some other car that is available. In addition to this, an advantage for buying a used car is that the customer saves money by buying it cheaper than a new car costs. Sounds weird, right? The best of all is that it has different form of payment. For example, you can cover all the money with your debit card, or we create a credit with a very low interest rate than those of a new vehicle deal.